a glue gun. I have 2 mixing bowls. I got me some glue. I did get me some new scissors, handy dandy wax paper, and the dye of your choice. Now this is the dye that I recommend that you get if you do go with hair dye. Last but not least, you need some boots. I'm gonna be using boots that I already have. If you remember these boots, comment down below. So we're just gonna use what we have. I'm all about saving money and, you know, reupholstering things. So if you got some old boots at home, use your boots, sis. Don't be wasting no money. I glued the fur on here. So I'm gonna try to attempt to take the fur off. Hopefully it doesn't mess up my boots. If it does, I don't mind because I don't do anything but put fur on them anyways. So yeah. So I kind of want to keep the fur for, you know, maybe if I want to put it back on these boots. I didn't think this through before making this video. So my fingers are hurting a little bit, but that fur was on there. Like, don't underestimate glue sticks, hot glue sticks. So while I'm trying to get the excess fur off of this boot, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you can get notified once I upload new videos. Comment down below and let me know what type of videos y'all want to see. Like, what do you like seeing? Do you like seeing my DIYs? Do you like seeing my hair videos? Do you like seeing makeup videos? Do you want a combination of everything? Let me know down below. I'm just gonna cut the fur down instead of like trying to peel it off, just to save on time. It's gonna get covered up either way, so it doesn't matter. So now we're gonna make our template with the wax paper for our boot. I'm not gonna go into like really deep detail how I do this because I've already explained this in my other video. So if you have not watched that video, I will have it linked down below. It's the how to make fur boots video. Simple as that. And I'll show you guys everything step by step of how I make the template, cut it out, everything. Go watch the video. So this is what we'll be working with today. Some white fur. This is literally the same fur that I have been using for all my fur boots. I used this in my first original fur boot tutorial. I used this to make a fur headband. I used this to make those pink fur boots that we just took off. I have literally been using this same fur for all of those videos. So inexpensive. I think I spent like $20 on this fur. So y'all, I already have a very in-depth, detailed video on how I make fur boots. If that video, you know, if I left something out that you want to know, I'm thinking about just answering all of your questions in a very, very detailed video answering everything. So go ahead and comment down below. So I usually just get a comb and like comb through the fur before I even get started doing anything. I'll be looking forward to y'all comments, y'all questions, and I promise I'm gonna answer every last one in my next fur video. So y'all, I'm gonna put this towel down because we're gonna be dyeing some fur. Get everything nice and flat. I'm only gonna be doing the tips in this video. I'm gonna start off with the green. The outfit that I'm gonna be wearing these boots with is a lot of red, and I really want to bring out the green. I'm gonna show you guys how I multicolor or dye in multiple colors on fur. So that is the video that I'm talking about. So if you have any questions, go ahead and comment those now. I'm really thinking of doing like a rainbow, kind of pastel rainbow color boot, but I don't know. Let me know what y'all want to see. Baby, I want it. The tips is a little bit more different. I'm getting this stuff everywhere. I'm glad I'm in my studio room because my boyfriend be mad. I'm getting this everywhere. We're only doing the tips, so I really can just like go with the flow because it's not really like precise. You really just, you know, slapping some paint on there. If you guys are liking this video so far, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share this with a friend, with your mama, with your cousin. Let them know they can make their own fur boots at home, whatever color they want. They can sell them. You can, you know, it's gonna be your hustle, sis. I'm here to help you. We're gonna repeat the same thing for this one right here. Me, I've always been hands-on with making my own stuff, so I just, you know, figured I'm gonna color my boots the way I want them to be. It's a win-win. I'm just trying to put y'all on, sis. I have helped you, taught you a little something. Comment down below and let me know. Also, give this video a thumbs up, because this knowledge is for everybody, so don't be stingy with it. Everybody can eat off of it, and that's just on period. And when we finish, make it sweet love, baby. And baby, tonight. We are back, and y'all, I am so sorry. I'm gonna insert a clip right here. So y'all, I had to redo all my coloring because as you can see, this is pink. So I had to send my boyfriend to the store and he went and got this. So that's what happened, y'all. My fur was pink. So make sure that you use some dye that you know is gonna be true to its color. So with that being said, I had to go over the full fur and change the color and make it darker. So I wasn't able to stick with the tips only. I'm gonna do a tips only video so we can see the outcome, I promise. So this is the easier part. We're just gonna glue our fur on the boot. So I have all of the videos that I mentioned listed down below in the description box.